Hi everyone, my name is Angus. I'm the project manager for Darren Francis. I'll be showing you around what we've been doing this past week. We did the screen wall and we've got the electricity box here. That would be for all three buildings. We will have electrical boxes for each house, so they each buy their own electricity. So let's go inside. On my left hand side, there is no plastering, the one bedroom. On my right hand side, the bedroom has been finished behind me. They're busy with the passage. This is the main bedroom, which we've plastered, ready for painting. The electrician has to come in to do his piping. Carpenters are coming on Monday. They're installing the ceilings. On the roof, we've done the ridge capping, the roof tiles, and the washboard as well. This past week, we've casted the service bed floor, and we've built the dividing halls. So you have your one bedroom on the right hand side here, and where we are standing now is the sitting area and the kitchen. And on my left hand side, you've got your bathroom, which consists of the shower, a toilet and a basin. Next week we'll be very far. You'll see a complete difference. We'll have the ceilings in, we'll have the floor done, we'll be busy with tiling and plastering outside. It's going to be exciting. Thank you very much.
If you're enjoying this video and want to learn more about my journey into property investment, my book launch will be happening on the 27th of June 2024 at the Greenleaf Cafe in Dukai. My book, Failing to My Success, a guide to making millions in the property industry, details my hard-earned journey on the Cape Flats and shares some of my failures and pain while growing up. And I share some of my secrets that I developed using the flipping and development strategy. I share some of these secrets with you in this book. Make sure you get a copy. A link is in the description below. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
We've got the gates on. We've also plastered the wall behind me. Let's go inside and let's take you on a tour. This is what we call a PVC ceiling, which is maintenance free and you don't have to paint it as well. On the floors, we've done the tiling throughout the whole house itself, and also the electrician has put in his plugs and his ceilings and his light switches too as well. The bathroom has been tiled, the walls has been tiled, the bath has been set. The plumber will come in and he will install the toilet pan and the basin as well. You've got your ceilings in, you've got your tiles laid, you've got your cornice on. In the ensuite, the walls is tiled, the floors is tiled, except for the shower, which is going to be waterproof first before we can do the tiling. We can install the toilet pan and the basin as well. The waterproofing we will do tomorrow. Give that time to sit and then we do the tiling. So let's go to the outside. Our top priority at the moment is to get the two houses complete, and then we will focus on house number 3, where we'll do the plastering inside, outside, the floors. The electrical has been done. We will do the plumbing as well once the floors is complete. If you look behind me, you have the plumbers, laborers doing the trenches for the services. Before they put their service pipe in, we first got to get the building inspector out to inspect the trench to see that it's low enough, that it's wide enough. Once he inspects, we close it up immediately, connect it up, and we can turn on the water. Thank you very much.
Happy 2024. It's a new year, new dawn, new beginnings, new everything. So it's starting to take shape. Isn't that amazing? We went from a 2-bedroom apartment to a 1-bedroom apartment.
He has been upfront with us, telling us that things didn't run according to schedule.
We've run a bit behind, but these things happen. Thank you for watching. Consider liking, subscribing, and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss a beat. Happy investing.